Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So as you can see, 5xx server error on Instagram. So why you see this error and how you can fix it. So first way, just try to close your web browser, just tap on click Google Chrome, or if you use Safari, just Safari. And just try to close and open again your web browser. And if it doesn't help you, just try to reload your page. So just tap on reload and just try to reload your page. And also you can try to use Instagram if you have another device. Just try to log in into your account from another device and just try to use another device. Or you can also just try to update your laptop. So maybe you have just some updates. Just try to update your laptop. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.